Gracias, it smells like wheat.
Agora cortando os palos.
Love it. How does this work? Oh. Oh. Oh, te vas cargado. We just got here and we already fucked up.
No, it's fine.
It's fine? Okay. Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
I'm not sure.
Maybe it's from the other side. It's from the other side, I guess. But that's weird. Okay. Well, look. Aw, it's not bad. Wait.
You don't even have to go to the pool to...
I mean, I want to go to the pool, but oh my god, guys. No. I hope not. Me pongo pedo, si no. I mean, that's pretty. At night it's gonna be so pretty. And we will have this to chill.
Music here.
As with the music. And here is the pool. Basically, can I go up here? No.
I'm scared.
I mean, no, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Just run. Oh my god, imagine we fuck up. No. No, it's fine. See? We can just jump and go to the pool.
Yeah, well, I mean...
You're diving in my pool. Woo. Well, hi guys. We just got to our hotel in Barcelona. Ta-da! We basically went from one part of Barcelona to the other one to the hotel.
It was just straight.
Yes, we wanted to do a stay-in moment. Maybe we're a bit late to the party, but we're doing it anyway because right now hotels are in it's better to get them now because there are less people, so they are cheaper. And we got this hotel that is called Catalonia Atenas, and we got a big room with this balcony that is private. It's for us, and it's bigger than expected. I really like it. Also,
The terrace is
terrace, palace, balcony, whatever you want to call it, I accept. Yes.
it feels bigger than the room.
Yeah, it feels bigger than the room. Also, we are getting a massage at 4. Well, one of us at 4 and the other one 4:30 because individual. And then after that, we're going to the pool. Because now the weather is better. In the morning we were a bit scared. It was too cold. Yeah, but for once that I go to the pool,
Checking the weather. She was like,
yeah.
oh, shit.
And then after that, at 7 we have a spa, 1 hour. So it's gonna be at 5 we will finish the massage. Then we'll go to the pool. Then we'll go to the spa, and then we will decide if we order, get room service. We will see. But yeah, that's our mood for today, and we'll leave tomorrow basically. But look, it's enough. We need to relax. Work is stressing. YOLO. Guys, I'm gonna give you a fast room tour before we go to the spa, so we can change fast and we can go down because we're in the 10th floor and the spa is in the -1. So there's that. You enter the room and there is this that we'll be wearing later. I mean, I don't know if I should wear it now to go to the spa. Maybe it's too much, but at the same time,
what are we gonna do there?
okay, well, maybe I wear that to the spa. There's this. There's a fridge that we will put some beers that we brought because we are cheap as that. But then
we're going to a hotel, but we're not that expensive.
Then there's the bathroom. It's cute.
Oh, it's cute.
And then, well, supplies. A lot of supplies, and we love supplies. Ooh. I mean, it's new. It's really nice, to be honest. I mean, guys, this was with the spa included, this room and everything, it was 125 euros. The massage is apart. She's doing her thing. The massage is apart, but
I can see all my...
But besides that, it's 60 euro approx each person with the spa included, and this room with the terrace and everything, and the swimming pool is also included. So, and then there's the huge bed. We will be sleeping, a TV if you want it, but we don't want it. We will enjoy our time outside or with the tablet playing some music, and that's it. And now we will get ready to go down to the spa. Bye. Yes, that's heavy. Bye. Time to get naked. Okay guys, so I'm back from the massage and I'm so oily right now, but it was so good. Laura is there now. Meanwhile, I will get changed for the pool. Bikini is on and we're ready to go. Well, no, actually no, because I have to wait for Laura, but whatever. Oh my god, I should bring my sunglasses, but I was too lazy to get up again. But yes, I'm waiting for Laura. Oh my god, the sun. Going to the pool with mask. I guess there we can just take it off. Actually, tomorrow outside we don't have to wear it anymore. First day
after so many months.
Yes, but well, now I will take it there, and up there I guess I'll just take it off. But yes, let's go to the pool.
That's not a wave.
Well, that's me trying to wave. Wow, the wind there, your hair. Yes. Well, may a problem. I think it's just the right moment.
Okay. Doing great, come on. I mean, for the feet, it's fine, isn't it?
See, now it's like warm on the feet, right? Go in.
So what if it's like,
just go a bit in, just flexion.
Yeah, but if I go a little bit in, they're still going back.
Are you sure? Let's try.
No, it could be worse.
Could be worse. Laura went in before me because it looks like a deep pool, and I'm too short, so maybe I die.
So this is like how it covers me.
Okay, I'll try.
Just for reference.
I'll try. Okay, I'll go. Guys, I'm going. Okay, I think the puntetas.
She's on her tips.
I'm tippy-toeing. If I don't tippy-toe, I'm gonna. But it's fine. It's not that cold.
It's fine. It's not that cold. Just wait until we go out.
Yeah, well.
And the wind starts blowing.
The thing is, after that, we're going to the spa. So we're playing. We made it to the pool, though, my friend.
On June.
On June?
That's insane.
On June. That's my place. That's my spot on Tachi.
What?
This area is my spot.
Just appropriating.
It's a packed days, guys. Now it's spa time. Oh my god, my head. You can tell I've been to the pool. Actually, they're kind of cute. We need one. Let's see if it's fine. This is fine, right?
Yeah.
I think so. get there, we'll go there. I mean, it is more long, but it's fine. This one, maybe? Yeah, they should kill me fluent, so I will leave the phone here, so it's safer. Ooh, spicy. Spa time. And we just bought water, and they have free water here, so that's amazing. Yeah, drink. That's very cold. Yeah, it does look cold. Oh, thank you. Laura. This robe, why is it so big?
Maybe it's not the robe, but you're small.
Maybe boh, truly.
Boh. Okay.
No? Boh. 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 It's so big.
It's weird.
It's weird and big. Look at me like me. Amazing. I don't know why I dance. Why do I try to dance? She's ignoring me, as always. It's time to order. Let's order. What do you want? Ta.
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 Ta. I was thinking, let's get the nigiris.
Yeah, the nigiris look so good.
Yes.
Edamame? Do we want edamame? Maybe? Or edamame or gyoza? What do you prefer?
I kind of feel like edamame.
Then edamame it is.
Okay, and then let's choose maybe one of these.
Oh. We're gonna proceed to take pictures in the outside with the ropes, with the analogic and the Polaroid.
And the phone.
And the phone. Sad because there is like super pretty though. But yeah, that ain't it.
No, that ain't it.
We ordered our sushi like an hour ago. And we're waiting for it.
We decided to take
1 hour, I know, they were not lying, okay? But I wait.
Don't be on the background.
Yeah.
She's gone mad. She's too hungry. No, oh god. No, back at it. Back at it. Dance magic.
I'm hungry.
Dance magic.
Magic? Okay.
The sushi, the sushi.
all the elevator moments that we're in this like
It's like we're wearing a kimono.
yes. Guys, update. We got the sushi, but now the key is not working, so Laura went down to check because we left the other one inside. It's amazing. Yes, yes. Yum, yum. We're in the outside, there's not much light, it's a bit dark, but hey, enjoying life. That's so cute. Oh, the lights there. There. Skill. It's fine, but we're gonna mix it anyway. I love it. And the weather today is like perfect.
Yes, I know. Just when we were on the pool, if it was a little bit
Less
hotter,
windy.
it was fine.
Yeah.
But
But for the rest,
you
I mean,
know.
we can be outside chilling. There's no humidity. It's amazing. Good morning. It's hot today outside, hotter than yesterday. So nice. The outside, not the hotness. So we're getting ready to go eat breakfast because it's included and we love it. We just love a huge breakfast. So we're gonna go do that, and then if we have time we'll go, it depends, or on the pool or outside to like get tanned. Sounds fake, but we will try. Okay, let's go. Què mengem? Però mirem primer què volem. You know. What is this, Laura? What?
I want one.
Yo también. How does this work? That's cute. That's good. Now we're missing another one. Look at it. Amazing. Amazing. Amazing.
I'm not sure how this.
Alright. Yeah. No? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it came. You're right. Yes. Oh my god. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough.
Pretty.
Yeah, that's fine. And we have the other one. I'll take it with the hand. Yes.
Ooh, cute.
Are we eating too much?
That's what you do when you go to a hotel.
Yes, with breakfast. And we just need the coffee. Okay, let's go. Guys, we're ready. We have like savory, sweet yogurt with some muesli. We made it.
Some
Juice and coffee. Yes, excited. Okay guys, so we're leaving now the hotel. We've been all morning in the pool. Well, we tried to be outside a bit, but we needed to go to the pool because it was like too hot to be just in the terrace. So we were there for a while and then we went to the pool. But now we're leaving. It's 12. And yes, we checked everything. Everything. We had a bucket list of 6 things and we did them all. So that's amazing. And we're gonna go home and we will shower there because we have no time. But well, that's it. Loved it.